I just got this electric foot grinder from Irileki and I really enjoy this. I tried it for the first time yesterday and let's just check out what comes in the box. First we have the grinder with a fine grinding head and a rough grinding head. We have the little brush to clean the heads, also a USB charger, and the charging takes an hour to charge it completely, and the battery in a full charge will last an hour. You also have 2 speeds on the back, slower and quick. We have a light here as well when it's on, so you can see a bit of your work surface. It also comes with a protective cap so that you don't get your hands roughed up here. You can easily change the head by pressing down here on the top, and it pops right out because this little button presses down, and now we can easily put in the other head, just pushing in here and then pop that in that way. So I've tried this on my heels with the fine grinding tool. My heels aren't too bad, but I'll show you a before picture. And I used the grinding foot grinder on the fine grind, and I put a bit of water on my heels and I gently went over it for probably 20 seconds on each heel. And with that, I had a nice smooth heel after, and any of the white or dry skin was smoothed over quite nicely. I was quite impressed at the power of the tool, and I also was impressed at how I had to hang on to it firmly, but you don't want to press down too hard on your heel because this is a pretty powerful grinding machine. It's great if you do have very calloused feet. You're going to want to start with the coarser grind and then the fine grind, but start slow and try it out first so you don't hurt yourself, because you don't want to take off too much skin and then cause any problems there. It also comes with a little brush to clean off the grinding tool. Overall, this tool works great. Usually I would always use a pumice stone like this in the shower. Every shower I would just scrub my heels with this to keep keep my feet nice and healthy. And it's very important to keep good feet healthy and take care of your feet. Now this has made it so much faster because I could scrub manually with this for a few minutes and I'm still standing in a shower and I'm still not getting it really well. But this is gentle and it's going around my heel, and it's saving me some time and some effort from scrubbing. So really enjoy this. I think this would make a great gift, and I want to thank the brand for sending me this nice little tool. Also very portable. Put it in your bag, your travel bag, so you can easily bring it with you.